guys, it's Roxie with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do an excerpt from Crazy for You. I love this splashy little musical based on Gershwin's music. It was choreographed by Ms. Susan Stroman, 5-time Tony Award winner. And it's one of those big old-fashioned classic tap musicals, so I love this musical. I'm going to do an excerpt from I Can't Be Bothered Now, which the lead does with these sort of Ziegfeld Folly showgirls. So it's fun. It's a great fun number, and I'm just going to do a portion of the beginning. I was privileged enough as a kid to work with Miss Stroman. She's great. She's very methodical. I did a show called Here's Love with her, and she's unpredictable. I mean, she's very organized when she choreographs, which I love. She's like boom, 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 boom. But her choreography is, you know, she has these great little tap rhythms, and just when you think she's going to go this way, she goes another way. So her choreography is really fun and up. And so let's get to I Can't Be Bothered Now, because I can be bothered now to teach you this tap number. Let's get going. So this number is with Bobby and his showgirls, and he comes out in a big limo, and they all come out doing running flaps. Like I said, this is a very showy girl piece. If you're a guy, if you just want to learn the steps, cool, however you want to do it, or if you just want to, you know, flip it and skip it, it's up to you. All right, the beginning portion of this, the steps are moving upstage. And since I have no room, I'm just going to teach them stationary, and then we'll get to the rest of the combination, the portion I'm going to teach, because it's a long number. I'm just going to teach a clip from it. So it starts, I'm going to start with 8 running flaps, starting with your right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to do a scuff, hop, step, shuffle, ball, change, step. And that's more of like a lunge into it. From there, we're going to do a chasse, and a chasse is just a little, like a little hop, step, into a 3-step turn or chaîné. Boom. And that is what they take downstage to get into a line, which starts the bulk of the combination that I'm going to teach. So that's first, it's the scuff, hop, step, shuffle, ball, change, step, chasse, chaîné. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arms are overhead on the scuff, hop, step. Scuff, hop, step, shuffle, ball, change, flip. That hand goes flip. Chasse, they're just out, and they're just a nice arm for the turn on the chaîné. They're downstage now in a line, and it's 2 paradiddles starting with your right. And then it's another shuffle, ball, change. So that's, oh, sorry, there's a scuff, hop, step. So paradiddle, paradiddle, scuff, hop, step, then a shuffle, ball, change. So that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's what I'm saying. Her rhythms are a little tricky. Just when you think they're going to go this way, she kind of changes patterns on you, and it's like, oh, then we go. She sticks something else in. So that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then there's 3 sugarfoots, starting with your left. Now a sugarfoot is you get up on your toes and you just twist. And your hand, the leg that you're twisting, the hand goes in, and it's like you're wiping a window. So that's, you've just done the shuffle, ball, change, and now you start in with your left. So that's 1, 2, 3. Now there's going to be a little kick with your right foot, 4. And now there's 4 heel drops starting with your right foot because that's the foot that's up. You have no weight on it. And it's going to be 4 heel drops starting with your right. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And your hips just go side to side, side to side. So that's right, left. And your hands just sort of sway. So your hands all that time were just sort of going at the beginning, just switching, and then boom, boom, bum, 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 bum. Now, we're going to go, it's a little, your leg's going to flick, kick, ball, change, step. Now it's different on the right. Kick, toe, heel, step. So she switches it up again on you. It's a kick, ball, change, step, kick, toe, heel, step. All right? So that's with the counts, all of that, starting back from the paradiddles. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, now we're moving on. It's going to be toe taps, but they're going to go side to side, starting to your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 toe taps, and they go diagonally. And this fits, they're not singing, but the words at this point are, I'm dancing and I can't be. So if you want to think of it this way, B ends on your left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on the 7, it's a hop, shuffle, step. So the 7 is a hop, shuffle, step, step back on 8. Got to be back on that 8. And the arms, and I'm telling you the words because the arms make sense here. I'm dancing and I can't be. So in other words, they're saying, don't bother me now because I'm dancing. I'm dancing and I can't be bothered now. Okay? That's when the arms drop on the hop, shuffle, step. Let me just finish this sentence off because this is where I'm ending the combination, because where they take it, I'm just gonna finish it straight out. It's 7, 8, and it's a little grapevine, starting back, side, front, side, back, side, front, side, clap. So that's actually 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where they actually take it is they get into a conga line with Bobby, and then they start doing all kinds of different stuff. So I'm not getting into that portion of the combination, but I'm just ending it with a little grapevine, clap 7, they hold on. Well, they get with Bobby on 8, but for our purposes, that's where we're ending it. All right, and there is the combination too. I can't be bothered now. All right, so taking it back from the very beginning, we'll do it really slow. Starting with the running flaps. So you have, starting with your right foot, running flaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Scuff, hop, step, shuffle, ball, change, step. Chassé. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chenet. 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 2 paradiddles. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Scuff, hop, step. 5, 6. Shuffle, ball, change. 8. Sugar foot. 1, 2, 3. Kick. 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Kick out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 toe heel drop. 7, 8. Then it's a toe taps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hop, shuffle, step into 2, grapevine, 7, clap on 7, hold 8. And there you go. Now, if you were doing it with the music, it would kind of sound, it's very fast, the whole number. But they're coming out going, hi Bobby, and it's da-na-na-na-na, da-na-na-na-na, da-dun, 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 da-dun. And they'd be ready for where the main melody of the music starts, which is my mom. And that's how it would go with the music. All right, I hope you like that. Subscribe to my channel. Check out all my other videos. I do like to teach sometimes just singular tap steps in my videos, but once in a while, I mean, I do have a musical theater channel, so I do like to sometimes just put them together in a combination and teach different styles from different choreographers, because what's the fun of tapping if you can't actually do a tap dance? So there you go, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in my next.